Hello, how is everybody doing? It's Keroy King here. Today I wanted to read for you a poem from page 139. It's called Rest. And sometimes we work too hard. We are always on the move, creating this while other things are getting destroyed. Trying to find a way on how to do life the best way. But in the process, we get so weary, we get too tired, we don't think straight, we can't hear our instincts even, we, we can't hear our instincts well. So, with this poem, Rest, it's just a reminder that you're not alone, you have help. God is with you. The angels are with you. We have the Holy Spirit. It's a spirit within. It's a spirit within everybody because God doesn't create things where He doesn't put His essence. Actually, there is no creation without God. So, um, if we allow that to be true, we'll find that you can always find rest even when situations may be a bit rocky, right? Okay, today I rest in the arms of God, surrendering all that I know, all that I've known, all that I was told, to make room for the new in my life. Let new worlds unfold, let adventure sweep me off my feet like magical fairy tales in numerous varieties, sprinkling from heavens like gold dust. Today I rest, shoulders relaxed back, sights of flickering lights, with dancing flames swinging side by side. The warmth of silence fills my heart as remembrance fills my mind. It is safe to be me. It is safe to be you. As love blankets the air like a fluffy white cloud, my belief in self arises, my trust in spirit anchored. It is safe in this place. In the arms of God, I rest. I hope you find this restful. Hope your day is blessed. And even when you're working or you're doing whatever you have to do, I hope there is rest in that. As always, it's Keroy. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.